To apply for an HDFC Bank home loan, start by checking your eligibility on the HDFC Bank website or by visiting a nearby branch. You can use the Home Loan Eligibility Calculator to determine the loan amount you are eligible for, based on your income, credit score, and other factors. Next, gather all the necessary documents, including your identity proof, address proof, income proof, and property documents. You will need to submit these documents to the bank for verification. Once you have all the documents, you can proceed to apply for the loan online or offline. You can fill out the application form on the HDFC Bank website or visit a nearby branch to submit your application. After submitting your application, the bank will verify your documents and assess your creditworthiness. If your application is approved, the bank will disburse the loan amount to your account. To repay your home loan, you can use the HDFC Bank online portal or mobile app to make payments. You can also set up automatic payments from your bank account to ensure timely repayment. It is essential to note that HDFC Bank offers various repayment options, including fixed and floating interest rates, and flexible repayment tenures. You can choose the option that best suits your financial needs and goals. Additionally, HDFC Bank provides a range of benefits, including low interest rates, minimal documentation, and quick processing. The bank also offers tax benefits on home loan repayments, which can help you save on your taxes. To get the most out of your HDFC Bank home loan, make sure to read and understand the terms and conditions of the loan, including the interest rate, repayment tenure, and any associated fees. It is also crucial to make timely repayments to avoid any penalties or late fees. By following these steps and best practices, you can use your HDFC Bank home loan to fulfill your dream of owning a home, while also managing your finances effectively.